let me give you my contact information and hopefully you can reach out to me if anything happens. Hopefully there's nothing happening, but, well, it's just really disconcerting, you know. We just don't want this to be a cold case.
Agent Daniels, are you there? Daniels, listen, be careful. If you're dealing with Taiga, it could get really dangerous.
Yeah, this is Daniels. I'm about to meet up with Taiga now. Yeah, I'll call you back in a minute.
The Persian kitten is controlling this chess match.
I'm putting in a call to RJ now.
Well, that's what happens when you cross the Persian kitten.
Tell Naval Intelligence I've located the subject.
This is Agent Eagle. What? I spotted the target. He was here.
Yo, the Eagle will take down the Taiga.
I'm not familiar with Portia Diamonds. She must be working with the kitten.
The Persian kitten remains at large.
The only issue I have is that Agent Taiga, okay, has been corrupt, fucking the whole system up. He's been hanging out with the enemy, the target, okay? Fuck him. Let me do the job. Let me take him out. I can handle it.
Well, that's what happens when you mess with the Persian kitten.
Macklin here. No, there have been no sightings of the Persian kitten. The Eagle will take down the Taiga.
Well, you don't really want to fuck with the Persian kitten.
Buffalo Bill was shot twice in the stomach. Someone is bumping off naval agents in San Diego. There's reason to believe the Persian kitten lives in the Green Tower.
This is Macklin Coulson. I've lived in San Diego a long time, and nothing like this has ever happened before.
Where is Taiga? Can't wait here all night long for this guy. He'll be late for his own funeral. Come on, Taiga. Hurry your ass up. I gotta get back to work. Man, oh man, this jet lag is killing me. You better get here. He knows I'm fucking flying all day, waiting to get here. Jesus. Taiga. I've been waiting around. Got some solid intelligence for him about movement locally. A lot of intel, naval intel, but he's going to have to act now or he's going to miss out on this opportunity. He better get here. He must have forgot it's a 3-hour time difference between Boston and San Diego. I'm not going to fucking wait here all night.
Hey, you wait a minute, man. Hold on. No, not so fast, buddy. Okay, are you RJ?
Yeah, who the fuck do you think I am?
Hey, you're the guy I sent a lot of money to get some valuable information. Did you get my wire?
I get yeah.
Did you get the dough?
I get everything, man.
Okay, listen. All right, listen. Okay, I paid you to get some valuable information to fill a piece of the puzzle that I'm trying to put together. Okay. There is a lot at stake in this case. Okay. I don't want you to guess on the information you're giving me. In other words, okay, it's okay if you don't know. If you don't know the answer to the question, better to tell me than to tell me you know for sure and it's a lie.
I can tell you this. The answers are the same on the East Coast as they are on the West Coast. And it's as simple as follow the money.
This is what I thought. It's about the money, isn't it?
It's all about the money.
This bitch wanted money. Is that the reason why she did what she did?
You just got to go look to see where the cash is coming from. It's simple.
Where did it come from? Where did the cash come from?
I'm fully aware of who Raymond Castro is.
The same group of people that came back from the East Coast flew out here, and they've been hanging out. You know who I'm talking about.
Is this the mob? Is this the mob? It's not the Mexican cartel.
All I can tell you.
I know it's not the Russian mob.
It's the same folks that came out from Dorchester. Okay?
Is it from Dorchester?
It's all Dorchester.
Because I know everybody in Dorchester.
No.
Okay, I'm not worried about any kind
How
of.
many people out here in San Diego came from Dorchester?
Okay, listen.
Hanging out with
I'm
her?
concerned. It could be coming from other places.
No, it ain't. It ain't. I'm telling you.
It's not coming from Tehran. It's not coming from Tehran.
No. It's simple.
Tel Aviv. Is it coming from Tel Aviv?
No, it's local.
It's not Barcelona. We got no Moroccan.
It may have come in, but it all came from Boston. It was filtered through there, just like they do out there.
Okay.
Same spot.
Okay.
Same.
So you're ready to testify if need be.
That's easy. It depends what's in it for me.
Well, of course, the last installment. You got your first one, right? Was that good or what?
Well, that's a start. Because
Okay.
I'm putting my neck out there, and there's some fucking crazy
Okay, but
people.
listen, okay, your testimony's not dependent on the money, okay? Because if
I'll tell the truth.
if the defense team finds out you're getting paid to testify, our
I'm not getting
case
paid
will
to testify. I'm
implode.
getting paid to tell the
For
truth.
services.
I'm also paid to
For
stay,
services.
being paid to stay alive.
Okay, that's right. Don't worry, your safety's fine. Listen, I got guys.
You grew up in the hood with me.
I got guys watching you 24 hours, 7 days. I know where you shit 20 minutes ago. Okay, this is how I knew you were here right now.
Well, you were an hour late.
Okay, well listen, I'm having a
And
family.
I'm 3 hours ahead.
I'm
of you.
having a
Fucking
family
tired.
party right
All
now.
Go
Okay.
back to your party.
All right, good. All right. I'm glad you came through on that piece of puzzle.
I'm just telling you, follow the money. It comes right from
Okay.
Dorchester. From
Good.
where it came from
Good.
there,
Listen,
it don't matter.
don't email me the document. Fax it to me. You got that? You got that,
I'll handle it.
Ajay?
It's coming to
You
you.
got that, buddy? Okay, hey, listen. My family party that way. The exit's that way. You go that way. Okay? See ya. See ya, Ajay.
Let me tell you something. Agent Eagle is somebody who knows how to play his cards.
Listen here, baby doll. I've been doing this for years, and no one's gonna get the drop on Macklin for fuck's sakes.
There's reason to believe the Persian kitten lives in the Green Tower.
Telling anybody would be a mistake. And Raymond Castro is waiting for anybody to slip up.
The Persian kitten controlling this chess match.
This is Agent Eagle. What? This guy is highly dangerous and he needs to be contained. This investigation needs to go on. No, there's no way that it cannot keep going. This guy is highly dangerous. He's a threat to our national security and he needs to be obtained. We need to get this guy in custody.
Another murder? Damn it!
I'm putting in a call to Sergeant Joel.
We gotta do something about this ASAFNP. Yeah, it's Joel. Listen carefully. I'm giving you full clearance. You tell Agent Ego he's got whatever resources he needs to figure this out. Do whatever means necessary.
If I see him here tomorrow, I'm gonna kick his ass. I'm gonna take him down. I'm gonna take this guy if I see him tomorrow, and if I have to, I'm gonna throw him off the second-story balcony of that restaurant.
Ocean Beach, California. That's where you'll find the Persian kitten. Is this Tiger? This is Portia Diamonds.
Raymond Castro's just another op. We don't have to tell him anything.
My luck, Tiger's gonna show up.
Agent Daniels, are you there? Daniels, be careful. If you're dealing with Tiger, it could get dangerous.
I'm fully aware of who Raymond Castro is. She doesn't have to go on record and say anything to Raymond Castro.
تازه زنگم میزنی؟ مسئولیت داشتم اینا رو بهتون بگم اینجوری که راجبتون من فکر کنم. سلامت باشم یا نباشم مردنی باشم به شماها نترس نمیگم کاری با شماها ندارم. دیگه چی میخوای از این بده؟ آفرین دیگه چی؟
The werewolves of Ocean Beach.
Wendy, Castro's on his way to meet with you now. Don't tell him jack shit.
Hello. Hello? Seat taken? All right. Well, let me introduce myself. My name's Raymond Castro. I'm actually a private investigator. Nice to meet you.
You as well.
So what's your name?
It's Wind in the Shells. It's Cherokee. You can call me Wendy.
Wendy. All right. I'm actually a private investigator looking into a case involving, well, a rather big problem happening in downtown San Diego. So you're native to Ocean Beach?
No, I've moved around quite a bit.
All right.
Send in Raymond. The tiger is to be taken down.
So if I may ask you, Wendy, have you crossed paths with my contact, Tiger?
No.
Are you sure?
I would know. I don't know anybody by that name.
Ocean Beach, California. That's where you'll find the Persian kitten.
It's really hard to believe. I haven't heard of anything criminal going on in San Diego in years.
Well, things tend to be covered up.
I mean, I wouldn't trust any other place as much as I trust San Diego. It's good people here, and I don't know. Maybe if you want to try Pacific Beach, but
Pacific Beach, yeah.
Yeah. Those PBers. I don't know. There's always shenanigans going up there. It's a college town and all.
Yep. To be young and dumb.
Oh, those days.
Yeah.
But I'll certainly keep my eyes peeled. I'm out here all the time. If something's going on, I'll get the word out too. We'll look for you. Yeah, it was around the 4th of July. There were attacks on some people there on the street. It was those gang members.
Gang members?
Pasoles. They traveled down.
Listen, I'm coming and approaching you today since I'm working on a case correlating with San Diego Vice. As a private investigator, I have abilities to actually go into things more introspectively than a standard officer would. So I'm just doing light questionnaires on people out who may be person of interest.
Don't tell him jack shit.
And so what happened to you the last couple of days? Anything notable? Any person that you may have seen act suspiciously or even followed you?
No, just been hanging around like I do.
I give the orders around here. I'm the boss. I'm the Persian kitten.
I'm looking for a person known as the Persian kitten.
Well, there's just some sort of areas up there that people tend to congregate that are up to no good, if you know what I mean.
Right.
Down here, I had to raise a family. I've been here so many years now that I really feel comfortable, and I wouldn't feel as comfortable anywhere else.
Have you come across anybody who may be potentially suspicious or even, well, just someone who may be out of ordinary for you?
You think I wasn't gonna let him know about this?
Well, listen, if you've actually come across anything or if you feel threatened or if someone may be harassing you, don't be afraid to call me first, or more importantly, the police.
Tell Agent Eagle he's got full permission to do whatever he's got to do to figure this out. Yes. Call me when it's done. Joel out.
All right. So how long have you been in Ocean Beach for?
About 2 years.
2 years?
I know the town well. I know almost everybody. But I haven't seen anything suspicious.
Yeah, Ocean Beach is a rather tight-knit community. A lot of art, a lot of people, a lot of population, you know? Ian gets the nickname I heard one time, the San Diego's version of Venice Beach.
It could be.
Yeah.
I wish I could help.
Yeah, it's just, well, I just have a major concern because my last witness, she was just so dodgy about, well, what occurred. And so I just have an extreme worry that if I mess up, I may lose this case. And as a private investigator, I get paid by commission, not no hourly wage, you know. With that, there also has been a recent problem arising in downtown, something that's been a major concern of my colleagues. Well, the organization that hired me in particular. Well, there has recently been a murder. And we're just trying to scour any potential leads, any outlets, or, well, persons of interest that may be in danger with this, since it correlates and connects with, well, other misfortunate incidences happening in America's finest city. You haven't heard of anyone going by that alias, the Persian Kitten?
No.
All right. What about an individual named Taiga?
Not at all. I'll keep a lookout, but so far not at all.
Well, I hope you're being honest with me, because the last person I questioned, I've come to learn that they recently went missing. Yes, so it's rather serious what implications whatever potential witness may be involved, especially with human trafficking.
Now that the werewolves are here, Ocean Beach will never be the same.
I don't know. I'm just shocked. I mean, other than what I hear on the news, I haven't seen anything or anything that I could bring to you yet. I wish I could. I certainly want to help.
Well, listen, if you come across anyone potentially suspicious, if you feel threatened, well, just anything that may be a point of concern, don't be afraid to contact me, and I'll be there to assist you.
Someone is killing California Navy cadets at an alarming rate. I'm going to question Portia about it and bring her in right away.
All right, well, listen, if you come across anything, something that doesn't feel right, or anything that potentially could put you in danger, don't be afraid to contact me immediately.
Absolutely.
But also bear in mind, too, you could also contact the police.
Okay.
All right?
I will.
All right. Well, listen, you have a nice evening.
You as well.
And take care, all right?
You too, Detective.
Yeah.
Oh shit, the Eagle's involved? Agent Eagle's one of the few people I'm actually afraid of. Agent Eagle is a Monopoly man.
Yep. Alright. I got it. Agent Eagle out.
Well, I got news for you. The Persian Kitten's been spending some quality time with Agent Eagle.
Tell Agent Eagle his chances are excellent.
Yeah, taking in Tiger's not going to be easy. I never said it would be.
The werewolves of Ocean Beach. The Persian kitten lives in the Green Tower.